Real strength is not in hurting others. Lion saves a baby. Look, a baby antelope. It is alone. It is very small. Oh no! Here are the hyenas. They are hungry. They want to catch the baby. The baby is in danger. Wait, a lion comes. It is big lioness. The lioness sees the hyenas. She runs fast. She fights the hyenas. She makes a loud roar. The hyenas are scared. They ran away. The baby is safe now. The lioness is kind. She does not hurt the baby. She touches the baby gently. She is its new friend. The lioness is strong. She is protecting the small baby. This is a good story. Thank you for watching. Follow for more. Speak my English. Happy study. Keep learning. Keep growing.